gonna do a quick review on Merrick Bowls. Everybody bought a bunch of these one day last week. Not sure she got them at Family Dollar or at Walmart. She went to both stores and got a bunch of stuff last week. Not sure how much she paid for them either. I don't know what she did with the receipt, so I could look and find out. Probably got thrown out in the garbage. You get 4 of them in a set. Here's blue. Here's pink. I don't know what other colors that might come in. They're pretty good little bowls. Get used with soup and cereal and ramen noodle. We eat a ton of ramen noodle around here. Kids love it. Fix it all the time for quick snacks, especially when they get home from school. But they're nice little bowls. Cereal and other things too that you need bowls with. You need break an egg and fit to scrambled eggs or for battering and stuff like that. They're good for that too. Not sure exactly how much it can hold. Decent size. Bowl of cereal, small can of soup, stuff like that. Not really big enough to do any mixing or anything like that. No, you got food over there. Don't bother him. I didn't feel like having a cat fight in her. No. Leave him alone. Sorry. I just fed the animals not too long ago. Noah's in there looking at Salty eating cat food. And I got another bowl about a foot from her. She's looking at his. The bowl he's eating out of. Yeah, they're pretty good little bowls. For, like I said, soup, cereal, and small mixing stuff. You want beaten eggs or scrambled eggs, stuff like that. Now, these are the Merrick. I don't think to make it out on the bottom of these bowls. Like I said, I'm not sure if my roommate got them at the Family Dollar store or she bought them at Walmart because she did a bunch of shopping last week at both stores.